Hello, it's Andrea, Century 21. I've got another property coming to market here in Dudley Park. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, caravan boat space out the front, and enough room in the unit, obviously, for a beautiful family. Come and have a look and see what's on offer. See, this duplex is absolutely gold for a retiree or an investor. Low maintenance gardens, as well as being really close to amenity and the andreav foreshore. Train station down the road. Lots to offer on this one. Register your interest today. It's coming to market soon. Let me know if you're interested. Love to have a chat. Andrea, Century 21.